Choose the ramen with the link in description.
All right, it's Sunday, December 14th, and this is the one from yesterday for the Lego Advent Calendar. Pretty weird. But, and by the way, I know Lego is Danish, and this is a German instant noodle Advent Calendar. Just letting you know, I know that, yeah. So, but we're on number 14 today, so let's get this going. And hey, look at this one. Pad Thai flavor. I don't think I've had this one in any way, shape, or form. So, yeah, cool. All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today is December 14th, and we have the 14th in the German Advent Calendar from Nissin, Germany. This is the Pad Thai Soba. So let's get this a-rolling. And as I've mentioned on previous shows, it is almost my daughter's birthday. She had her birthday party yesterday, and I thought I would have her join me on the program today. But I don't know where she is. Hey, Mimi, come and join the show. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mimi. How you doing?
Good.
Good? Did you have a fun birthday party?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got a lot of cool stuff, huh?
Yeah.
You got a Labubu.
Yep.
And you got pigs. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Her name is Happiness.
Happiness. Here, let me see. Happiness. Cool. Oh, and here comes Miles. So they're going to be going on Christmas break soon, so when I'm doing episodes, they're going to show up. Miles said he is interested in doing a bulldog mukbang at some point, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to give that a try? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, but your birthday is only a few days away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, what are we doing today? Are we gonna go up and down hills and walk around outside or anything, or?
I don't know.
No, I
Yeah.
don't know. I'm just gonna chillax.
You're gonna chillax, 6,
Yeah.
7 it up.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. All
And
right.
I'm going to play a new game with my mom.
Oh, what are you gonna play?
It's called Pop the Pig.
Yeah, that's Mimi's favorite thing, are pigs.
Same.
Yeah.
You like? Oh, now you like pigs too?
Oh, yes.
I
Okay.
even have new pig socks.
Yeah, you do have
I'll
pig
take one
socks.
off so I can show you guys.
Yeah, you. She's got socks bigger than me, ladies and gentlemen. The little pigs right down there. Yeah, those are crazy. Those are like sock boots.
And I'm still wearing my PJs.
Yeah, you are still wearing your PJs.
So
Yeah.
comfy and
You
so
should go get dressed.
I like it comfy.
Yeah, I can get with that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for joining me on the show. I'm going to finish up, but yeah, stay tuned. There'll be more of my children for you to see during the upcoming episodes of the Advent Calendar unboxing.
And probably Happiness too.
And Happiness, yeah.
Yeah.
The Labubu. What are the fake ones called?
La Fufus.
La Fufu. What? It's so strange. All right. Well, you go get dressed and you go have fun.
Okay.
And then you guys, yeah, just go have fun.
Just waiting for the people in the comments.
But yeah, we went and had their birthday or her birthday party, and a couple of her friends showed up, and that was rad. We hung out with their parents, and they're cool. And yeah, it was a good happening. A lot of pizza, a lot of dessert type items to be had, and yeah, it went good. No blood involved, I don't think, unless I missed something. Oh, that's hot. Ow. That's primarily the reason I do it this way, why I just use a strainer for draining the noodles here, because it's hot. I got wussy fingers. They burn. But, you know, whatever. It's draining now. Cool. But yeah, it's like approaching 1:30 p.m. on Sunday, the 14th day of December. I'm still kind of raw about finding out that the 12 days of Christmas aren't like from the 13th to the 24th or whatever. It's still like, really? Okay, let's see if that worked. I am very, very lean on garnish today. It just didn't, I don't know, I didn't have a lot of time. I slept in, kids slept in, everybody slept in. I think my wife was still asleep. Yeah, we had the party and got home, and there was we had to do shopping after the party and stuff. I think the party got done like at 5. We went to this place called The Ridge, which is pretty cool. It's like a skyscraper of a playground indoors, and then they've got like a snack bar. So it's groovy. Nice area. And if you bring your own stuff, it's not like you gotta, you know, pay a boatload. You can do their party packages, but I think it's a lot easier just to do it yourself. Who wants to spend $40 and just get plates, that kind of thing. So yeah, we did that. Then we went shopping, and then what did we watch? We watched the news. That was disturbing. And then we watched, this is all after the kids were in bed and we were having leftover pizza and breadsticks and cupcakes for dinner. And we watched the news, and then what was it? We ended up watching, there's this guy, and I wish I could tell you what his name is, but he bought a motorcycle. This is how I found out about him. It just popped up, and he had bought a motorcycle off of Walmart.com, had it delivered, and then tried to drive this, it's like a really, really dangerous highway. It's like where they film ice road truckers going in Alaska. And he tried to like drive that on this motorcycle, and like the whole wheel like busted and stuff. And then it popped up a new one last night where he got one off of Amazon. And yeah, but he made it with the Amazon bike, so that was cool. But he's done all these videos, and maybe I'll try to put a link in the description of his stuff, because it's pretty neat. He's done a lot of weird stuff. I would call him like a transport vehicle nerd kind of guy, but pretty cool. Anyways, but this one's pad thai, and pad thai makes me think of, you know, like American pad thai. I'm curious what, I feel like I've had this before, but I know I haven't. It's a limited edition as well. I like how they're coming out with limited edition ones here. This is a good thing. I wonder if they'll come out with like a tonkatsu soba. I don't know. There have been a lot of soba in this advent calendar box. Anyways, here are our noodles. So let's give them a try. Interesting. I get where they're going with the pad thai thing. I always think of pad thai being a bit more gooey, more wet. There's a decent amount of veg in it. It's not bad. But I'm guessing this is like more geared towards what people in Europe would think when they're thinking pad thai. See, the thing is, it's like in the US we've got American Chinese food, which is totally different to what they have in India, which is known as Desi Chinese food. So what they do is, like, different cultures will share their flavors, but they'll also want to make a living, so they make it so it's stuff that will be more widely enjoyed by the local folk. So then you've got all these things. But granted, if it's me, like when I went to Taiwan, we went to like traditional places when we were there, and the food that I got to eat was like, you know, Taiwanese food, like that people in Taiwan would eat. It's funny though, they did have, oh, what was it? We went to a Pizza Hut, and what was interesting about the Pizza Hut, it was like a buffet. It wasn't your standard doings like you would see it here, which is fine with me. I've been putting like mayo on this recently, but I don't think mayo and pad thai makes a lot of sense. But I'm just putting sesame seeds on it. I'm really keeping it kind of mellow today. But yeah, it's good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching today. I'll be continuing on with this Advent calendar box. Like I said, this was day 14. 10 more to go. It's been fun. Oh, an update. Here in Washington, we're going to be getting more flooding because yesterday it was sunny, clear, nice. Now it's raining again. And it's going to rain some more and some more all week long. So, yeah. Not letting up for people in flood zones. So, hopefully they're all going to stay safe and heed warnings of not, like, hanging out and getting flooded and such. But, you know, there's always some joker who thinks he's immune. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment, dryness, and noodles, and all that. So, have a good one. Bye-bye.